before you watch the video. Subscribe the channel now. Yes, right now. There is a very obvious recurring theme with this car, and we don't need to look too close in order to put our finger on it. The exterior is a mixture of Miami blue, a very electric blue, and carbon fiber, the latter found embedded in the front spoiler, on the mirror covers and on the rear diffuser. Meanwhile, the interior features a lot of dark blue leather, even more carbon fiber, Alcantara here and there, and a lot of contrast stitching. There's also some Miami blue on the steering wheel, across the dashboard, door panels, and in the back as well. Somebody really knew what they wanted when they started ticking boxes for this M4, a resident of BMW Abu Dhabi Motors. Further mods include the M Performance Kit, an Akrapovic exhaust system, and custom Vorsteiner wheels with gold calipers resting behind their 10 single-spoke design. Assuming the engine hasn't been fiddled with, this car should be good for its stock 431 PS and 550 Nm, 405 pounds-to-foot, of torque, which make 100 km/h, 62 miles per hour, accessible in as little as 4.1 seconds. Altogether, we think it's a very interesting spec, one that should rival what we saw recently with this signal green M4, as both cars do a good job at standing out by a color scheme.